Hi there, I'm Bob Burridge, and let me tell you about a great workshop I'm about to do in Mexico. I love it. It's 10 miles south of Puerto Vallarta. You know where we're going to go. I'm doing a week-long workshop right there by the beach where we paint every day on the third floor of our own open studio casa. It's fantastic. It's just us in a fishing village, a real working fishing village. No tourists. It's just us. In fact, we're the kings and queens in that village. Everybody knows where they are. It's up there painting every day. And some days we take excursions to other beaches. Can you believe it? We got to go to another beach? How fantastic. Sometimes there's whale watching, always picnics on the beach. The meals that are provided for us, spectacular. You'll be talking about the meals too. Anyway, the best part is you get to paint every day. I get to paint every day. And it's this open air studio, beautiful sounds, aromas from the village, you know, all the mesquite cooking, all the sounds of music. It's just a fantastic place. I do some of my best work there. You will too, I hope. I'm on your side. I'm going to take care of you. We're here to do our own loosen up stuff. Something like this. We go to the Botanical Village, by the way. A spectacular place to spend a day and sketching flowers. We sketch florals. It's one of the best in the world, this botanical garden. It's only 10 minutes from our casa, and we sketch black and whites. Sometimes we even get out little pieces of paper and do quick little sketches like this. Oh boy, the village loves seeing us come out there. Since this is all loose, they see us doing not your typical kind of painting, you know, cute little painting. It's more expressive. It's the way we've always wanted to paint. They have those beautiful vases, those Spanish vases that I love to paint so much. And they see us taking out our brushes and starting to paint crazy stuff like this. And they know that we're a bunch of crazy people. And I'll tell you, it's some of the best work you'll ever do because you're open air, fresh. The accommodations are wonderful. The food, the liquid refreshments, and everything else we could ever dream for a whole week. And it's all about you. And I'm on your side. Let's go to Mexico in the middle of January. That's where you want to be too. And you'll be creating, making your own work. And remember, I'm on your side. We'll take care of you. See you then.